Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Robinhood 2FA and withdrawal settings easy. Open the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the gear icon to access the settings menu. Scroll down until you find the security section. In the Security section, look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. Tap on Two-Factor Authentication to start the act. You will be prompted to choose your preferred method for 2FA. Select either SMS or an authentication app like Google Authenticator. If you choose SMS, enter your mobile phone number and tap Continue. You'll receive a verification code via text message. Enter the verification code in the app and tap Verify. If you chose an authentication app, follow the on-screen instructions to link the app to your Robinhood account. Once verified, your two-factor authentication is successfully activated. Now, let's set up the withdrawal settings. Return to the Settings menu and scroll down to the Banking section. Tap on Banking to manage your linked bank account. If you have not linked a bank account yet, select Link New Account. Follow the prompts to enter your bank details and link your account. Once your bank account is linked, return to the Banking section. Here, you can adjust your withdrawal settings as needed. Review the withdrawal limits and ensure they meet your requirements. Make any necessary adjustments and confirm the changes. You have now successfully activated two-factor authentication and completed your withdrawal settings. Congratulations on securing your account and streamlining your transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.